Starting around 19 July 2023, Nexo generally is exchanging at 63 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03% in every practical sense. Most recent 1 hour in a very enormous manner. Nexo truly has a kind of complete market cap of $351,059,987, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,517,779, which generally is very huge. This explicitly makes Nexo, in every practical sense, positioning at 93 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo in every practical sense be extremely worth in 2023? Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Is Nexo a sort of wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a very huge manner? Will Nexo cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed all things considered high in an unobtrusive way? These certainly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Nexo, value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost truly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of 76 cents, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to generally be 73 cents in a very enormous manner. Besides, Nexo can basically arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of 84 cents in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Nexo really is gauged to explicitly be at around an essentially least worth of 59 cents in a quite enormous manner. The Nexo value worth can especially arrive at a really limit of 67 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 65 cents in United States dollars, kind of additional appearance. How this in a real sense makes Nexo, for the most part positioning at 93 in the digital money market in a significant way. Nexo, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Nexo cost essentially is gauged to for the most part arrive at an especially the least cost of 65 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of 70 cents, with the genuinely normal expected cost around 68 cents. So most certainly is Nexo a truly wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is very critical. Nexo value estimate September 2023. The genuinely normal cost of Nexo could truly go to 70 cents toward the finish of September 2023, showing how on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo basically be truly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Nexo could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 73 cents, with the genuinely least expected cost of 67 cents, showing the way that Nexo could especially be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of 73 cents, with the really least expected cost of 67 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. Nexo value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Nexo is supposed to essentially be at around a sort of least of 69 cents. Nexo cost can by and large arrive at a fundamentally limit of 76 cents, with the especially normal cost of 72 cents in United States dollars. Nexo value conjecture November 2023. The Nexo figure for November 2023 expects that the Nexo may truly arrive at a very greatest worth of 80 cents, with a base cost of around 71 cents in a huge manner. Discussing the really normal value Nexo can for the most part stretch around 74 cents for November, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo, value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Nexo cost in every practical sense is conjectured to truly arrive at a sort of the least cost of 73 cents. Showing how Nexo value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Nexo generally is determined to especially be at around a very least worth of 59 cents, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost could especially arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of 84 cents, with the sort of typical expected cost around 76 cents, which really is very huge. Nexo pass cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost really has shown a sort of good increment of 1.81% in the for the most part, most recent 24 hours, showing the way that Nexo cost can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of 76 cents, with the kind of typical cost of 72 cents in United States dollars. From essentially most recent 7 days, the Nexo really was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.79%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo for the most part has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential of late, and this could be a great chance to dive right in and contribute, showing the way that Nexo could basically be exchanging around to buy in large greatest worth of 73 cents, with the very least expected cost of 67 cents, showing the way that Nexo could for the most part be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of 73 cents, with the base expected cost of 67 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Inside the for the most part most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo essentially diminished by 12.859%, dispensing with an incredible sort of typical amount of $0.093 from its extremely current worth in a really significant manner. This unexpected down really implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a very decent purchase and open door for speedy venture, which generally shows that will Nexo cost most certainly outperform its untouched essentially high in a genuinely huge manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 25.54%, and the cost especially flowed from a sort of least kind of typical cost of 79 cents to greatest truly normal cost of 86 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days, so Nexo cost can essentially arrive at a genuinely limit of 76 cents, with the typical cost of 72 cents in United States dollars in a huge way. Nexo in every practical sense is somewhere near 15.28%, with the genuinely greatest kind of typical cost of the coin, all things considered, was around 67 cents, and the by and large least lovely typical cost of generally was around 65 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months, exhibiting that this unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a sort of good in a real sense purchase an open door for pretty fast venture, which essentially shows that will Nexo cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in a very significant manner. Nexo value estimate 2023 facts. What will especially be Nexo sort of worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? The Nexo cost especially is estimated to arrive at a very greatest degree of 84 cents, with really least cost of 73 cents, toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting that Nexo value expectation December 2023, concerning December 2023. Nexo cost most certainly is conjectured to arrive at in a real sense, the most minimal cost of 73 cents, showing how Nexo